In this video, I'm going to be giving you 3 easy steps to actually set your channel up for profits and keep your sanity while doing it. And if you're really serious about this, then I am offering a free mini course and also a one-on-one strategy session to really help you get jump started in this process. If that sounds interesting, then you can sign up for that down below. I'll tell you more about them at the end, but for now, let's just dive into it. Okay, so I have 3 tips for setting up a profitable YouTube channel and also 3 tips for keeping your sanity. So let's start with setting yourself up for profits. My first piece of advice is to actually create a compelling value ladder. So what this is it's a way for you to actually ease people into your final offer. So let's say that you're offering, let's say, consulting for $3,000, okay? You don't just want to offer that on your channel. A way to ease them in is to first offer something for free, like a PDF or a free mini course like me. And then once you do that, then you can lead them into a tripwire or something for a lower value. And then eventually you can lead them into your higher ticket offer. Now, I know this works because I actually used to offer coaching on my channel without the rest of this value ladder. And then once I added this in, I started to constantly make profit every week, enough to go full time, and now I'm earning more than $5,000 a month. Now, moving on to number 2, you want to actually develop systems that help you to generate passive income for years to come. Now, you may be wondering, well, what are those systems? It could just be as simple as a website or a landing page or a funnel. Something that people can click on to actually purchase what it is that you're offering. The key here is to actually have calls to action in your videos that actually tell your viewers to click on it if they are interested in taking this a step further with you. And then once you do that, then you can really start to generate passive income because YouTube is an evergreen content library. So even 5 years from now, if somebody were to watch this video, they can still get my mini course or my session, and I could still make money from that. Now, moving on to number 3, you want to attract your right audience by consistently posting the right video topics that your audience is actually searching for. So you want to do some research behind this and understand your audience's pains, desires, and beliefs and craft your videos around those. Then you'll start to really see income flow to your channel. And another key here is to actually post those videos with the right SEO. So again, they can come across it in the search bar. And I'm telling you, if you do this right and consistently, it will lead to income. Like, this is the wheelhouse that works. And I'm not reinventing the wheel here. A lot of people come to YouTube and they think that there's some like magic button that they can press that will automatically lead to income. I'm here to tell you that there is no button. This is the formula. People often overcomplicate things with really big systems, but it's really this simple. And this does require you to think outside the box a bit. Like, how can you best meet your audience's needs? And again, if you would like help with that, then I highly recommend the one-on-one session. But now let's talk about how to not lose your mind in the process, because what I found after working with my clients is that it's the consistency that really drives them crazy, because we live in a world right now where, people they want instant gratification. Even though it takes a while to get views and subscribers, you can still receive money even with low numbers in that area. Because take me, for example, I'm not monetized with the YouTube Partners program. However, I am making a livable income with my channel, and I'm here to tell you that you can do the same as long as you're coming from that place of service and delivering value. So my first piece of advice is to have a spiritual practice. Now, what do I mean by this? I'm not talking about religion here, but I highly recommend that you get a meditation practice so that you can feel more centered in yourself, more grateful, and that'll really help you to enjoy the journey, because a lot of people, they go through the process and they want everything like really fast. However, the key is to slow down inside, and my mentor Angel Hill says that you want to slow down in order to speed up. So if you slow down inside, that can actually help you take quantum leaps towards the results that you are after. Now, my second tip is to fall in love with the process. So enjoy the process of making videos and get excited about it, and really fall in love with video editing and just actually creating that final product. Like for me, I get such a dopamine high, like once the video is all done and the thumbnail is just the way I want it. Like, it's so satisfying. It's like a work of art, and you want to think of your channel the same way, because when you see it as a work of art, then you enjoy the process, and it's so much more fulfilling. Now, moving on to my third tip, you want to fall in love with serving your audience. So don't just fall in love with your video content. Yes, enjoy the process, but the number one thing that you want to fall in love with is your audience. So fall in love with meeting their needs and actually getting them to the desire that they're after. And also fall in love with engaging with them in the comments. And the truth is that you might never know the extent to which, your videos go. Like, maybe you're helping somebody right now, but you just don't know about it because maybe they're not commenting or they're not letting you know. So you have to have confidence that your videos are serving people, even if only a few people watch. Like, whatever your niche is, like maybe you're saving somebody's life, maybe you're saving a marriage or somebody's health. Like, it goes such a long way, and you have to have faith in yourself and in the universe that you are in exactly the right place and you are actually creating a big impact in this world. And if that's you, then go ahead and drop a hashtag #IamACreator down below. And if you are a true action taker and creator, then I highly recommend my free mini course, because it will really help you to get jump started in this process. And then I also recommend my strategy sessions, no matter where you are in the journey, because I'm going to save you so much time and so much trial and error in that session, and you'll walk out of there with a long-term strategy that you can apply for years to come. And no, you don't need to invest thousands of dollars in a course or an ad agency, because I'm going to give all of it to you within just an hour for only $97. So I can't think of a better investment in my mind that can give you quick results for a low amount of money. I thank you guys for watching until the end, and I highly recommend that you check out these videos next.